Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Alamdar Khan and welcome to a brand new episode of Shosha. And yes, as you know, we always have some inspirational stories. हमारा objective basically होता है आप तक ऐसी stories पहुंचाएं जो कि inspire भी कर सके, but in the long run आप उससे कुछ सीख कर और उसको अपने ऊपर apply भी कर सके. तो शुरुआत करते हैं. रमज़ान का महीना चल रहा है. I hope कि you guys are fasting and trying to take care of yourself as much as you can, but not to forget कि सफाई निस्फ़ ईमान है. Yes, अगर सफाई की बात करते हैं, talking about cleanliness, it's not only the outer side or the vicinity that you need to take care of, it's about your inner cleanliness as well. But for that I have a very special guest today because हम बात करने लगे एक very crazy initiative, to be very honest. It's called Panch Mele. So I have Irfan with me. Irfan, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Great. So Irfan, the first question that I usually ask people who join my podcast is, who is Irfan? That's the first one.
That's a tough one.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm essentially a software engineer by profession.
Right.
I really like to write. On the side, when I do have time, I do that. And very artistic in times as well. But yeah, it just depends. There's one thing which really I hold dear to my heart, which is this initiative that we are talking about today, which is Panch Mele. Yeah.
So Panch Mele की थोड़ी सी इनिशिएशन बताएंगे कि how exactly did it come to life, how did it start, कितना अरसा हो गया है, थोड़ा सा, so that the audience know what exactly is it all about.
जी, पांच मेले का एक्चुअली पूरा नाम पांच मेले और उनके थैले है.
अच्छा, पांच मेले और उनके थैले, interesting.
And it started actually 2018 में. पांच दोस्त थे. I wasn't initially in the initial group. Malaika Riyasat and Javeria, they were the ones who founded it with 3 other friends. तो इन्होंने ये शुरू किया था ये, और मैं ज्वाइन किया था उनको अक्टूबर में उसी साल. मेरा खुद एक चाह थी कि कहना ये सफाई करूँ, क्योंकि litter really bothers me. And after having lived abroad and coming back, I was like, I want to do something about this. But then I learned and discovered about them. The same day we were going to do a safai, they were doing it. So we learned.
Interaction हो गया एकदम से, you guys connected.
तो पता चल गया, तो then I was like, okay, let's just join hands. Like rather than setting up something myself, I'll just help you guys out, and that's how basically.
तो अभी usually how do you guys go about it? I mean, like if you guys अचानक से you guys plan और आप लोग उठाते हैं सामान, and then you guys target some place and you go there just to clean it up.
So we have a structure. Typically हम हर दूसरे संडे को हम करते हैं एक सफाई, और हम उसको अपने सोशल मीडिया पे, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे, अपने व्हाट्सएप चैनल पे हम इसको शेयर करते हैं, ब्रॉडकास्ट करते हैं, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि हम कहाँ कर रहे हैं. और टिपिकली 12 बजे हम करते हैं सर्दियों में, और शाम के 5 बजे इन समर्स के वक्त हम करते हैं. तो इस तरह होता है.
तो अभी ये नहीं कि अगर आप ये उस पर जब आप ऑनलाइन जाते हैं या ऑन एयर जाते हैं और यू आर ट्राइंग टू अट्रैक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ ऑडियंस, how much impact do you think it has imparted so far to all the Pakistanis out there who are actually joining you, cleaning Islamabad to begin with?
I think it's really important कि एक example एक set करें इंसान. Lots of people tend to just speak कि हाँ ये करो वो करो वो करो, but it never really affects someone until
जब कोई एक्शन किया जाए,
जब कोई कर रहा होता है. एंड हमारे साथ ये बहुत दफ़ा हुआ है कि हम सफाई कर रहे होते हैं, और स्पेशली बच्चे वो हमें देखते हैं, वो आके कहते हैं, वो अपना वो कूड़ा देके वो हमारे थैले में डालते हैं, वो कहते हैं हम आपसे इंस्पायर हुए हैं.
Very nice.
And I think that really kind of is one of the reasons why we actually do this. We know कि ये जगह फिर से गंदी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि लोग फिर भी इसमें बाद में कूड़ा फेंकेंगे. लेकिन it's not about necessarily just cleaning up the place for aesthetics, but it's actually trying to impart this.
So basically कहते हैं ना कि when you clean, मैंने भी एक चीज़ वैसे रियलिटी चेक किया किसी की थी, और मैं भी थोड़ा सा OCD टाइप चलता हूँ, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर वाला एलिमेंट भी, कि मुझे भी सफाई is something that gets to me, and I personally sometimes when I'm even doing the dishes, so I feel like I'm being cleansed. Is that the feeling that you're talking about?
It's very therapeutic. जी बिल्कुल. Exactly. It's exactly like that.
तो आपने अभी उसके बाद अभी जो आपके इनिशिएटर्स थे, जो फाउंडर्स थे, एक्चुअल फाउंडर्स थे, वेयर एग्जैक्टली उन्होंने भी दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट येट, बिकॉज यू मेंशन्ड यू वर गिवन द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू फॉलो अप विद दैट.
जी, एक्चुअली तो अप अंटिल सो 2018 से 2021 तक, जब 20 तक एक्चुअली जब कोविड शुरू हुआ, तो उस वक्त हम लगातार कर रहे थे. उस वक्त तो हम एक्चुअली हर इतवार को करते थे.
उस वक्त तो हमारे पास टाइम भी था, वी हैड ऑल द टाइम, राइट?
बट बिफोर कोविड.
अच्छा, बिफोर कोविड. अच्छा, उस टाइम पे
every week.
तो ड्यूरिंग कोविड कर रहे थे?
कोविड में we stopped, and then we kind of आगे पीछे we were like trying to figure out what's safe as well and everything. And then after that, people kind of went their own ways. So up until then, the founders were more or less like in part of it.
Right.
And then 2024 में then my wife was like, we should start this again. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's a great initiative, and so basically the torch is now with you and your wife, and you guys are basically carrying it forward.
Yes.
So how many members do you guys have? जिस तरह आपने कहा ना, you're structured उस लिहाज से भी, so I'm sure कि if you're structured enough कि social media भी चलाना है, every alternate week पे भी करना है, तो कितने आप लोग members हैं? How many members are you guys to core members to begin with?
Yeah, so the core team is around, I think, 8, maybe 10 people.
Right.
And we delegate to each other. I mean, more or less it's a flat hierarchy, and
यानी कि वो नहीं है कि कोई बॉस है और हाँ वो तो ठीक है, I get it.
I don't have that temperament either.
बिल्कुल I get it. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
So yeah, and then we just like someone does something, someone does the other thing, and then that way it kind of functions. And yes, one person can't do it all, and so I think it's really important to have like a good like good team who's like really involved in it and they're on top of it, and alhamdulillah, like we have like a really good team.
So I'm sure that a lot of people who've actually joined the cause, so आपके तो because once your cause is the same, it automatically creates that society, एक आपकी अपनी पर्सनल एक सोसाइटी और एक फ्रेंड्स के आप आपस में एक पैक्ट बन जाता है. So I guess अब आप लोगों का सर्कल apparently because following the same cause obviously increases the circle of it as well.
Definitely, we so like with some of our team members, like they also bring their friends along.
Right.
हमारे अपने दोस्त भी फिर आते हैं, and we, like I said, since we posted online, so people join us at their convenience.
बिल्कुल सही.
कुछ आएंगे कुछ दिन, कुछ हफ्ते, कुछ नहीं आएंगे, फिर अगले कुछ हफ्ते बाद आ जाएंगे.
Right.
So it kind of works that way, and we last year we did a collaboration with Dogs of Pakistan. I think you had
Faz was here before, absolutely,
and Waste Heroes. So they're another initiative also who started around the same time back in 2018, maybe usse pehle shayad.
Right.
हमसे तो वो भी they do
same
similar
cause.
work with
pretty
like
interesting.
us.
Pretty
so
interesting.
it was like this was the first time we actually did a collaboration together, and it was like really nice because
Nice.
like yeah, like it's important that I want people to realize that we're not here to have our own silos. हम एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं.
मिलजुल के
बिल्कुल. मिलजुल के करें, क्योंकि बिल्कुल ये एक चीज़ है जो मिलजुल के अगर ना करें
तो फिर फायदा नहीं है.
फायदा भी नहीं है और हम निपटा भी नहीं सकते.
हाँ, absolutely. आप कितना एरिया पकड़ लेंगे, but I mean like for audience who've actually loved the idea of doing this, they can obviously reach out to you guys in terms of social media. Exactly, if I'm not wrong.
जी बिल्कुल. Yes. Yeah. We have our handle is Panch Mele, like 5 and then Mele.
I mean, हाँ वो बल्कि what we'll do is we'll surely add in the tag of Panch Mele in this video so that people do get inspired by this story and inspired by you guys and the work that you've done. Any messages for the audience out there, because it's not just about cleanliness, but I think it's an overall impact that it's basically a bigger cause that you're looking at and something that you would want to tell the world out there who's watching you right now.
जी बिल्कुल. I mean, I think it's important कि हम एक तो realize करें कि काफ़ी मसाइल हैं हमारे मुल्क में, लेकिन हम खुद भी निपटा सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
And I think that's one of the things that with Panch Mele that we try to do. We try to show कि हम किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं करें कि वो इस जगह को साफ़ करें. हम खुद कर लेंगे. And we can, and we are able to do it.
Absolutely.
And so we're trying to also like inspire people कि आप rather than kind of like always just waiting and complaining कि हाँ ये मसले हैं, अगर आपको एक नज़र चीज़ आ रही है, कोई कुछ ख़राब है, if you have the power, if you have the capacity to do it, just do it, and people will follow. I mean, Panch Mele started off like just 5 friends, and now we have like a growing community of people who actually join us.
Right.
Alhamdulillah. So I think like it's important.
So कौन से areas कर चुके हैं इस्लामाबाद में? Mostly what are the target areas that you guys have done so far?
We try to do every place. So we've been to I8, we've been to G9, we've been to the typical F6, F7, F11.
Right.
But we try to make sure कि हम different areas को करें and not just specific like the upper class places. No, we want to like
all in all
everywhere. Yeah.
Well, it's an absolute pleasure meeting you once again. Thank you, brother. Thank you. And guys, if you want to get in touch with him, please do, because we are tagging him and his team along in the social media handles so that you guys can reach out to them. And I think if their concept is to make a better, greener, cleaner Pakistan, so that's हमारा भी objective ये होना चाहिए कि we should follow the same. Till then, take good care of yourself. Once again, thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye bye.